Welcome back to Fall in the Field. Now that we've explored the life cycle of a plant and how energy moves throughout it, we're going to take a look at how energy moves throughout the farm. Hey Nora, I have a question for you.
Yeah?
So we're here in the garden and I'm curious, how do plants get their energy?
Well, plants get their energy from the sun, and then they use this energy to photosynthesize and create their own food. They also get some energy from the nutrients in the soil.
Whoa, so you mean that these plants are creating their own energy right now?
Yeah!
Oh, that's super cool. Let's explore some more.
Here at Willow-Witt, we are at higher elevation and it can get pretty chilly. So they have this greenhouse that traps the sun's energy to make it warmer inside, and they're able to grow some plants in there that need warmer temperatures.
This may look like an empty field. However, it is an integral part of the farm because it's the food source for the goats and the chickens. The goats come and graze the field first. Then the chickens come in and scrounge for bugs in the shorter grass. Do you want to go check out the chickens? Follow me. This is where the chickens live. Here, these two are looking for bugs in the water and the grass. Now we're in the chicken coop. This is where the chickens lay the eggs. Here's one right now. Come on, take a look. Here's a freshly laid egg, ready to be harvested.
Here we are with the goats. We learned that goats get their energy by grazing on grass in the fields. Humans also can get energy from goats because we can drink their milk. Goats are an important part of the energy cycle here at the farm because we can add their manure to the compost piles. Let's go take a closer look at the compost. Compost piles consist of many materials that some people might consider waste, but actually are really beneficial in breaking down to create nutrient-rich soil. This compost pile consists of food scraps, chicken manure, goat manure, and hay. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. This is the next step of the composting process. The pile has been moved over here to continue breaking down or decomposing. Heat generated within the compost helps break down all of the materials. We're going to take the temperature of the compost pile using this thermometer. We are looking for a temperature of 110 degrees. This lets us know that the compost pile is almost finished breaking down and ready to be used. The compost is ready. Now it's time to move it to the garden where it will help next year's plants grow. Let's go! With the help from the nutrients in the compost, the plants have grown big and tall. Now they're ready to be harvested. Now that we've finished our journey of following energy through the farm, let's review. The plants get energy from the sun to create their own food. Then the chickens and the goats eat the plants. Their manure goes to the compost pile along with food scraps. All of this decomposes to be added back to the garden, and this helps plants grow in the future. Grab your worksheet and pencil. It's time for you to create your own diagram of how energy moves through the farm. Have fun, and we'll see you in the next video.